What's up, guys? So, it was our dad's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Haba na wish ah.
Wish ko lang is world peace. Para kang beauty
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so we are in BGC right now. So we found like a fancy place, newly opened. Think it's like a perfect spot for dad's birthday. So we're gonna eat there. Hey, Dad,
Bolero. What is bolero? Here po, ang bolero po is a sweet talker sa Philippines. Pero in other term po, it's a Latin dance po.
And now it's been a couple of weeks since dad's birthday, and today we are planning to do a prank. That's because we haven't given our gift yet, and we wanna, make a little prank on him.
So the prank that we're gonna do today is the classic ignoring dad prank.
If you guys can remember, this ignoring prank has been done by Niana and Seiya and a lot of people, and now it's time to do it on dad. And we don't know how he's gonna react, and that's the point of this whole video. So you guys should watch out because dad might get mad. We're gonna prank dad, you know already, right? So starting now.
You ignore him. Alam mo ba yung gagawin natin today? Alam ko na. We're gonna ignore dad. Basta starting now, walang magpapansin kay dad.
So wag niyo lang siya papansinin si dad. Kahit ano sabihin niyo. Pag tinawag kayo, wag mo papansinin. So ang mangyayari lang is parang wala siya dito sa bahay. Alright, Yaya now's ready.
Hi sis,
Hello, where are you?
I'm on the road.
Okay, so I'm vlogging right now. You're on speaker. I'm just
Okay.
gonna inform you that when you get here, you're not supposed to. You have to ignore dad.
I can't even greet him like I.
Yeah, like when you get here, just like we're all gonna ignore him. You could talk to us, but not dad.
Oh my gosh.
Bye.
Bye. Oh,
Saan si dad?
CR.
Game na, nag-start na kami.
Ano? Take lang ako. Paglabas mo na dyan.
Ikaw, activate ka ng prank mode pagkalabas mo na dito sa living room. Bye. Alright guys, so at the moment, bumaba si dad. Paakit siya dito mamaya pagkakakain na ng lunch. So hintayin lang natin siya.
Walang halo.
Okay guys, sinaantay lang namin mag-lunch. Malapit na maluto. And from there, we're gonna see more reactions from dad kasi literal kaming lahat. Di siya papansin. Ate Nina's here. We're gonna start. You gonna? Yes.
Ano nangyari sa bako mo? Huwag ka yung ma'am. Ano to? Anong fish to? Ano fish niya? Yung mag-rounded ha? Hello? Beef? Ay, din yan. Hello? Siya. Pwede ko palang gawin ko. Bang! Pinma! Kaya ba sila oh? Uy! Mikey! Ah! Kailan ka mag-US, anak? Yung isda. Gumaling ka rin ha, nanging content ka rin ha. Ano na sa isip mo? Pakinimay nga niyan. Ano pa? Maasim pa to. Hindi ako mag-prank-prank lang kaya. OG to, OG. Ano, rugok na. Bahala kayo sa boy.
Alright guys, so just an update. Dad already knows that he's being pranked. Apparently, he just realized na lahat kami hindi siya pinapansin. So, natatawa na lang siya, nagtatanong-tanong siya, pero hindi pa rin kami sumasagot. So, we're just gonna continue ignoring him until later. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay guys, so dumating na yung gift namin for Dad. So it's a drone. Dati pa siya nagpaparinig na gusto niya ng bagong drone. And so yeah, here it is.
Alright guys, so ngayon, dinner time na. We're gonna reveal it soon, pero we're still thinking of other things that we can do.
Sino na libre? Sige, huwag niyo akong pansinin na. Ano yan? Vlog? Vlog?
Alright guys, so it's family day. And for family day today, the one deciding what we're gonna do is Natalia and Nina. So ngayong araw, ano na pag-decide niyo gagawin ng family?
Ramen, board games, and movie.
Ramen, board games, and movie?
Yeah.
So here it is now. They ordered ramen, tempura. Alright.
Gusto mo dito? Same lang naman tayo order.
Ha?
Dito ka.
Hindi na ako yan.
Game?
Yana!
Pwede na?
Ako na, Yana. Ano ka?
Doon ka na.
Bakit?
Doon ka na.
Ang kulit na to.
Itigil yan, mga vlog-vlog na yan. Pero parang sarap din ang pakiramdam na dinidedma ako. Parang ano ko, excuse ako sa ano, sa mga sa dinner. Sige, okay lang. Woo! Hindi ako pansinin. Ang libre. I like, kasi walang bagdad. Kine-request. Say hi to the live. Talia. Hi. Parang sa ano, tawag doon, sa Netflix, sa ibang dimension na siya, di ba? Hawakan mo lang yung ilaw. Mamamatay bukas, gano'n.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam dyan. Bigla na lang siya tumatawa tapos umiiyak sa tawa.
What do you want?
Vlog. Vlog to vlog.
Lumilipad yung buhok. Ano?
Yung camera umaangat pa.
Kaya, yung camera.
Nagpapalipad ng
Ano yung phone ko? Uy, saan yung phone ko?
What happened to your arms? Yan yan, sir.
Alright guys, so pumasok na sa kwarto si Dad. So maya-maya onte, i-reveal na natin na prank lang. I mean, alam niya naman na tatapusin na natin yung prank in a while. So far, nakikisakay lang si Dad dun sa prank. Now, we're thinking of what we can do to like start revealing the prank. I mean, Dad already knows, but we gotta,
Actually reveal it.
yeah, to actually reveal why we're doing this. We got an idea.
The plan is we're gonna call everyone to watch a movie and hopefully Dad comes down.
Yeah.
And once he's down, we're gonna play this clip. Happy birthday! And then we reveal it's a prank and we give the gift. Okay, we changed our mind. We're doing Disney edition.
Then we're gonna announce it. It's a prank. Happy birthday to you.
Movie time!
Ate! Tininya!
So the gift is here, as you can see. There you go. Okay, Nina's here. Tea's here. Ma, tara! Movie! Game setup na natin yung mood dito. Parang kainan mood pa rin eh. Yan, movie mode.
I'm back to that mouse. About eating a hunt.
Okay, so ang papanoorin natin ngayon ay Wish. Wait, pause mo muna!
Ano tayo?
Sorry, yung ilaw, okay na.
Lord! Wish! Wish niya ako naman. Parang ikaw yun na. Parang ikaw yun na. Wish you all the best. Best wishes. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
March 18. 3 months na.
Masyado kasi naging busy sa birthday ko.
Uy, sino nang bigay nito? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Pwede ko na i-testing. At saka, ang sarap din ng feeling.
Bakit?
Kasi parang nilibre ako ng dinner.
Hindi, babayaran.
Charge.
Siya nagbayad.
Pero thank you, thank you. Hindi ko na-expect to.
That's our prank to Dad. Once again, happy birthday, Dad. And
Thank you.
you got pranked kahit sa simula lang.
I can say a million things, but I will not.
Bababa na ako.
Sa GC.
Laro.
I'm back to that mouse.
Marky, not tayo saglit!
Yeah, in a room full of street, there's
Lagay mo to.